So today, let me take you back to my childhood. As a kid from Shimla, every year there was a ritual to go to Vaishno Devi. And while returning back, the wait was all about having this famous street food from Jammu called Rajma Paneer. Well, it is very interesting dish and fully packed of flavors. So let's get started. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and we are going to heat this till smoking point. Take some cinnamon, whole black cardamom, green cardamom, cloves and black pepper. I'm also adding some jeera and a bay leaf. It is time to add some sliced onions, some whole garlic and ginger. Keep stirring the onions till it turns into a soft pink color. It's time to add these sliced tomatoes now. We'll mix the onion and tomato masala, and now it's time to add some powdered spices. We are adding some Kashmiri chili powder, salt according to the taste, and some coriander powder. We will also add some turmeric powder. It's time to add some green chilies. The masala has actually left the oil. We will let it cool down and make a fine paste out of this masala. Well, it's time to fry the paneer for Jammu Rajma Paneer. But before that, I want to show you. So authentically, this is the size of paneer which is used for the recipe. But if you're not comfortable putting this big size of paneer, you can always half it and make a small size. We'll add some oil in the pan. Allow it to heat for 2 minutes and then we are going to add our paneer. And we are going to fry it till golden brown from both sides. So this is the brown texture which we are looking at. As you can see, it's golden brown from both the sides. And I'm going to add it in the water. It retains its moisture. If you remember, we made a masala and now we have made a fine paste out of that masala. We are now going to start making the final curry. And for this, we can use any oil or even ghee. It's time to add the masala. You must be wondering, these are stems, but you know what? This is magical stem. Usually I add them while boiling the rajma, but this time I'm adding it here in the base masala. This is almost used in every curry to give that amazing flavor. Do give it a try. As you can see, the rogan is coming on top, which is a sign that our masala is ready and it's time to add the boiled rajma into it. Now, what makes Jammu Rajma different from other rajma curries is this variety of rajma, which is specially grown only in Bhadarma region of Jammu. Well, they are very creamy in texture and of course, it is fully packed of flavors. The idea of making good Jammu Rajma is letting it slow cook for 30 to 45 minutes. Now, we are adding the fried paneer to our Rajma curry. Finally, our Jammu Rajma Paneer is ready to relish. Well, ideally, it is to be had with hot and piping steaming rice, but you know what? You can have this with anything. I'm going to relish this with steaming rice. Well, you are watching Indian Food Diaries on Get Curried. This is Chef Sherie signing off for now.